Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to share the playlist from Soundcloud PC. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of SoundCloud. And let's just say I want to share a playlist with my friend. Now here's what we can do about it. This right here is a public playlist. I'm just gonna click on its title right here. And this page opened up. Denote that you can like the playlist, repost it, share, copy link, or add to next up. Right now we simply want to share, so I'm gonna click on this button right here. Now something like this will open up. It's gonna give you these three tabs: share, embed, or message. Select the one that you wish. Right now I just want to share my link. This right here is the link that has been provided to us. Do note that you can also shorten the link by clicking on this checkbox right here. This right here is the link. I'm simply gonna copy it. And now you can share it to any friend of your choice. And guys, that's it. That's how we share a playlist in SoundCloud. Likewise, the process is similar for the private playlists that you have created. That's it for the video, guys. That's how we share a playlist in SoundCloud. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.